Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your connection is not private, NETERR CERT AUTHORITY INVALID, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, we will try some browser level troubleshooting. Open the browser, click on the three dots associated here, and then select history, click on the bin symbol, click on clear now. The next solution is to delete the browser extensions. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select extensions. Select manage extensions. If you find any problematic VPN extension or any other network related extension, turn it off and then select remove. And then you can disable secure connection. So I will give you one solution for everything instead of this. Just perform a network reset. Why? Because a network reset entails all other network related troubleshooting steps like flushing the DNS, resetting the WinSock, resetting TCP IP and everything. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on advanced network setting, select network reset and then click on reset now, and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.